Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I wanted to share a little bit of an unboxing of the Canon EOS M50. But before I do, of course, please check out my storefront on teesprings.com/store/designer-mom and check out my t-shirt apparel. That'll be great if you could support me. Thanks. So let's move on to the review. So after doing tons of research of the Canon G7X Mark II, sorry, not the 3, because the 3 is a little bit pricey, and the Canon EOS M50, I watched tons of YouTube videos, YouTube channels, and I read tons of reviews. And after doing my due diligence, I finally decided to go with the Canon EOS M50. Now the G7X Mark III is out, which is a great camera, but for some reason Canon is having little problems. They got to work out a few kinks with the camera. It's a great camera, but a little bit pricey for me. But I think the Canon M50, EOS M50, will do the job. So without no further ado, let me introduce you to the Canon M50. Now this is the box that it comes in. This is the Canon right here. So this is the box that it comes in. It's the Canon EOS M50 kit. It comes with an EF M15-45 ISSTM kit. Now that is this lens right here, along with the 32GB storage space, which is great. And you also get this to hold your camera around your neck. You get the charger. Here's the plug-in charger, and then you get a cover for your lens. So here's the Canon right here. This is the Canon M50, and it's a great camera. I decided to go with a white because I didn't want black. I wanted something different, of course. So I decided to go with the white camera. So let me go into the charger now to charge the battery. You basically line it up. You see a little arrow on there. You line it up with the arrow on here. Just pop it in, pull this out, and you plug it in and charge it. Now while you're charging, it's orange, and when it's full it turns green, which is wonderful, I think. And it charges in a breeze. Maybe like 2 hours it'll be charged. I really don't check how long it takes to charge. So now let me take out the battery, put it in here. Now you have to line up the battery with the arrow here. You hear a click, and then the 32GB storage goes in here. You just basically pop it in, pop it out. It's really easy. You just use your nail and it just clicks in. You lock it in, and then voila, you turn on the camera and you're ready to shoot. Now to shoot a video, you just go into menu. There is the shooting settings. You hit auto, and then you could change the exposure, make it either darker or brighter, however you want your camera to set up. But that's just a quick setup just to get you going. Now to exit the screen, all you got to do is push this button right here, and then you go back to camera mode, which is wonderful. And then to record, you hit this red button right here, and then to take pictures, you basically hold this down and then you shoot. Also, there is the viewfinder feature where you don't have to like zoom in, because I have on glasses, so you don't have to like put your eye up in there like how folks would do it, but you just basically look and it automatically detect your eye, and it's able to show you what's in the viewfinder. And also it has the flash right here, I forgot to show you guys the flash. So here's the flash. So let me see if I could give you guys a wait. You saw it go off, so that's the flash on there, and it's pretty awesome. And I went over the viewfinder with you guys, so yeah. So that's one of the great features of this camera. Now you basically, you know, press this button to record, and that's it. Now they have other features on here. I'm not familiar with it. I guess they have hybrid auto, special scene, creative filters, movie recording. That's where you would go just to record. You just choose mode auto, and that's it. They have scene intelligence auto, program AE, shutter priority, aperture priority, manual exposure. I don't know what any of that means, but you get what I'm saying. There's tons of features on here. So to upload your videos and pictures, you basically pull this back and you insert, I think there's any HDMI, no, not really any HDMI, but I use my old USB cord from my phone, from my Android, and I was able to upload my videos and pictures using my old USB cord. So this is where you would basically plug it in and upload all your photos. And here's the Wi-Fi capability right here, or Bluetooth if you want to transfer your file through Bluetooth. I tried that, it was complicated, it wasn't working, so I did the old-fashioned way. I just hook it up with the USB cord, and that worked. To go into the video, well, to see your videos or all the photos that you took, you just hit this play button right here, and it switch between, you know, getting ready to shoot and here. And then menu is basically where you go to, you know, find all your settings and how to upload your photos and stuff like that. Let me put this back on video mode. Go back to here and then just hit here. So this is where you would press this button to release the lens. You just, whoops, you just basically squeeze and pull, and then you just twist and turn. Now, as a beginner using this camera, I can't go into details like them other, you know, expert on YouTube, but I just wanted to show, you know, a review of this camera as a beginner, you know, as a person that's new to YouTube and that's user friendly. I think this camera is very easy to use. It's great for you new YouTubers. If you're looking for a camera that, you know, you could use different lenses and that's versatile, I think this is a great camera. I think that's everything. I think that's everything in this Canon box. I highly recommend this camera. I think it's a great camera. Tell me what you guys think down below in the comment section. You know, tell me what type of camera you use. What's your favorite camera to use, you know, in 2019? I think this is a great camera. It's 1 year old. The price on it is $650 on the Canon website, and that's not a bad deal compared to all the other cameras out there. Now the G7X Mark II is the same price, so I decided to get something a little bit newer, which is, this is 1 year old, and the Canon is what, 3 years old. So I think, you know, for the price, this is a better camera and it's more versatile. And then they have the G7X Mark III, which is already out. So the G7X Mark II is kind of old right now. But it's still a great camera. I think that's like one of the best camera Canon created, along with this. So I really hope this video was helpful to you guys. I mean, if you watch my tablescape, my glam tablescape video, you'll see the capabilities of the camera, like the visual, the lighting, you know, the exposure on it it's beautiful. The aperture of the background on the lens, it's beautiful. I love this. It blurs the background. It's great to focus. It also has the auto sensing feature on there, which is awesome. I don't know if I'm like rambling right now, but I'm trying to give you guys as much information as I can. So I really do hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know what you think down below. Leave a comment. and check out my other videos on my channel. And also, don't forget to check out my storefront on teesprings.com. So, I hope you guys enjoy your holidays. Stay safe. You know, enjoy your time. Don't eat too much, because we're all trying to stay skinny out here. I don't know if that's possible. But enjoy your holidays, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.